Alright, my name is Monday Arome. I want to take you through Excel basic formulas for accountant. These formulas are very necessary for every accountant and bookkeepers, which you must know them. Now let's take for instance, assuming you have your product already, you make your entries, this is the product descriptions, and you have entered all the quantity sold, and then this is the price per unit for each of these products, and you want to know in value how much this generate each of these products generate. So I know, of course, every formula in Excel start with equal to, so you type equals to. The first method, you can use this style, either press equals to, click on this cell, this is the first product, click on the price per unit, then you press shift, press asterisk, which is a sign of multiplication on the computer, then you select your quantity, the cell on the quantity, then you press enter. Once you press enter, it gives you the total amount, and then you can now drag it down like this to give you for all of them. Now you can undo it this way and go by this way. You change it this way, you said that you go this way. Alternatively, you can go, this is alphabet D and C, meaning column D and column C. Then this way we have it as a row. This is row 7, column D and 7. Now you now have you now said B7, because this is number 7 and column D, multiply by C7, divided by column C7. That means column C row 7, C7. Then you press enter. You see it gives you the same result. So that is how this one works. So you can now drag it down, drag it down, drag it down, drag it down. So that is how this one works. Then in terms of multiplication as well, addition is the same way. If you change, I did this one now, I remove this asterisk, and then I press shift and I press plus, press enter. You see it changes. So this is what you need to do. So the same way, if you want to use minus, you remove this plus, press, you don't need to press shift for minus, just press like this, go to your keyboard, that one will perform there for you, and that is it. So you want to have it for others, even if they are in thousands, you drag it down to the end. So that's all. So I think you have learned something: the multiplication, the subtraction, and the addition. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye for now. Happy learning.